Hello friends, today I will show you how to design cut text image for beginners using Canva. Let's go to the project, select the background color. I'm using yellow color and add text. I'm using 3 letters for this. First letters is D. Add effect. I'm using shadow effects like this. Change the direction. Change the color. I'm using background color for the shadow. Duplicate the text again. Change the text. Now select the first letter and go to Effect. Increase the transparency like this. Select the second letter and duplicate the text here. Select the second letter, go to Effects, again transparent increase. Okay, we have done now. I hope you enjoy the video and subscribe our channel. I will see you in next video.